Hello everyone, welcome to Cybernova. In this video, we will learn how to use SecurityTrails, an advanced DNS enumeration tool, to gather information about the subdomains and DNS records of a target website. DNS enumeration is a process of discovering the DNS structure and configuration of a target domain network, which can help us identify potential vulnerabilities and attack vectors. SecurityTrails can perform both current and historical DNS enumeration, as well as subdomain enumeration using brute force techniques. Let's see how it works. To use SecurityTrails, we have to switch to our Windows 11 virtual machine, and then we can open any of our web browser such as Mozilla Firefox and type https://securitytrails.com in the address bar. This will take us to the SecurityTrails website, where we can sign up for a free account by clicking on the Sign Up for Free button at the top right corner of the page. We need to enter our email address, password, and agree to the terms and conditions. Then we need to verify our email address by opening the verification link sent by the SecurityTrails to our email account. After that, we will be redirected to the dashboard in the SecurityTrails website, where we can start our DNS enumeration. In the Enter a Domain, IP, keyword, or hostname field, we can type the domain name of the target website that we want to enumerate. For this demonstration, we will use certifiedhacker.com as an example. We press Enter and SecurityTrails will display the DNS records of certifiedhacker.com, such as A records, www records, MX records, NS records, SOA records, TXT records, and CNAME records. These records provide information about the IP addresses, mail servers, name servers, and other configuration details of the target domain. We can also switch to the Historical Data tab, where we can find the historical data of these records, which can show us how the target domain has changed over the time. Next, we can switch to the Subdomains tab, where we can find all the subdomains of the target domain. Subdomains are the subdivisions of a domain that can host different services or applications. SecurityTrails can enumerate all the existing subdomains of the target domain using brute force techniques, which means it tries different combinations of words and characters to find valid subdomains. This can help us discover hidden or obscure subdomains that may not be listed in the DNS records. DNS records and subdomains provide information about the locations and types of servers that host the target website, which attackers can use to further launch web application attacks. Therefore, it is essential to perform DNS enumeration as part of the information gathering phase of a penetration testing or ethical hacking process. SecurityTrails is a powerful and easy to use tool that can help us with this task. This concludes the demonstration of gathering information on the subdomain and DNS records of a target website using SecurityTrails. You can also use other tools such as DNS Checker, DNS Dumpster, etc. to perform DNS enumeration on a target website. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cybersecurity tutorials. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.